What if one soundbar could turn your living room into a cinema? The Sonos Beam Gen 2 promises exactly that. But does it deliver? Let's find out. If you're thinking about buying the Sonos Beam Gen 2, you need to watch this. I've tested it thoroughly, and today, I'll tell you if it's worth your money or just another overhyped gadget. Give me some minutes, I can explain all dark secrets. Let's dive in. Key features of Sonos Beam Gen 2. Let's start with what makes the Sonos Beam Gen 2 stand out. Imagine watching your favorite movie and feeling like you're right in the middle of the action. Thanks to Dolby Atmos, this soundbar delivers an immersive 3D audio experience. But that's not all. Its compact design fits perfectly in small spaces, so you don't have to sacrifice style for sound. And if you're a smart home enthusiast, you'll love how it works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant. Want to play music in every room? No problem. It syncs with other Sonos speakers for a whole home audio experience. Plus, setup is a breeze with the Sonos app. But here's the real question. Does it live up to the hype? Let's dive deeper. Performance review. Now, let's talk about performance. Picture this. You're watching an action movie, and every explosion feels like it's happening right in your living room. The dialogue is so clear, you won't miss a single word. That's the magic of the Sonos Beam Gen 2. The bass is deep and punchy, and the surround sound pulls you into the scene. Gamers, you're not left out. The low latency ensures an immersive gaming experience with no lag. And for music lovers, the sound is crisp and balanced, whether you're listening to pop, rock, or classical. But is it perfect? Let's uncover the truth. Pros and cons. Here's the honest truth about the Sonos Beam Gen 2. On the plus side, the sound quality is premium. It rivals systems twice its price. The sleek, modern design blends into any room, and setup is so easy, even a beginner can do it. The smart features, like voice control and multi-room audio, are just the cherry on top. But it's not without flaws. It's expensive compared to other soundbars, and there's no dedicated subwoofer included. You'll need to buy one separately. Also, the limited HDMI ports might be a deal breaker for some. So is it worth it? Let's break it down further. Who should buy it? So, who is the Sonos Beam Gen 2 perfect for? If you're a movie lover who craves cinematic sound, this is a top pick. Gamers will appreciate the low latency for an immersive experience. Music lovers will enjoy the clear, balanced audio for every genre. And if you're a smart home enthusiast who loves voice control and multi-room audio, this is a no-brainer. But here's the catch. If you're on a tight budget or need deeper bass, you might want to explore other options. Comparison with competitors. How does it stack up against the competition? Let's compare it to the Vizio Elevate. In terms of sound quality, the Sonos Beam Gen 2 has better clarity and dialogue, but the Vizio Elevate delivers deeper bass. When it comes to price, the Sonos is more expensive, but it offers better smart features and a more polished design. If you're into voice control and multi-room audio, the Sonos Beam Gen 2 is the clear winner. But if you're a bass lover, the Vizio might be a better fit. The choice is yours. So, is the Sonos Beam Gen 2 worth it for you? Let me know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.